hot man. First, we must start with head shape. That is head shape. Then you draw the eyes. And then the mouth. And then nose and ears. Very good. Now we draw the hair. Very nice. I start with neck, because now we go down into the body. I always start with the arms. I do the left arm first. There we go. And then I do the right arm. I am very skilled artist, so I am very good at this. Next, draw the chest. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Very nice. Nice. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now let's go down to the stomach to add those abs. Sorry for doing that. And then I draw the legs. Got to add shoes on. Very good, very good. And I add the hands. Look at that. Look, you need to be very precise for hands. They are the most difficult part of drawing. A lot of skilled artists struggle with the hands. But I am just that good that it is easy for me to draw hand. Look. There we go. Very nice. I add more detail onto the stomach. There we go. And we must separate arms from the rest of the body. You can add any extra details if you want. I want to add a tail because it must have a tail. And now we add the color to finish off the drawing. I do blue body and blue legs, and then I go on to red for the shoes, and then we do yellow for the mouth, the arms, and the stomach. Oh, I forgot to do the blue on the tail. Apologies for that. I forgot to do blue, yellow. Oh, hey, there we go. You can change the background of the color if you want. There we go. I got a nice green. Add your name at the bottom. There we go. It is a nice drawing, and that is how you draw sexy hot men like this one. Thank you all for watching my video tutorial on how to draw the hot mans. Please make sure you like the video and comment and subscribe for more epic tutorial.